Law provides that an organization with 10 or more employees must constitute an internal committee (IC) which can inquire into complaints of sexual harassment within the organization. Sexual harassment at the workplace is a very sensitive issue and needs to be handled with care, patience, and understanding. An internal committee (IC) is constituted by the employer and has the following people as the members: presiding officer who heads the committee, at least 2 members from amongst employees, at least 1 external member from amongst non-governmental organizations or associations. Hold a meeting once every 3 months at least, even if no complaints have been filed. Discuss concerns and update yourself on the process that has to be followed, the latest developments in this space, and judgments of courts. Acknowledge the complaint. Discuss with other IC members, plan the meetings, and set an agenda for each inquiry meeting. Be aware of the time limit of 90 days while planning meetings. Take into consideration the number of witnesses, documents, and nature and length of allegations while planning the frequency of meetings. You are a part of your company's internal committee. Sanjogtha from the accounts department approaches you about an alleged sexual harassment by a senior employee. What is the first thing you need to do in such a circumstance? Exactly, right answer. In the case of a series of incidents, what is the time limit for filing a complaint? Oops, that is not the right answer. Here are some statements with respect to the internal committee. Drag and drop the correct option in the space provided. Not the right answer. Correct. Well done.